Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your UV and texture are ready. Don't delay with preferences. Open the UV editor and import a 2048 x 2048 texture so you can see real scale. Once done, align the pattern pieces to the UV islands and lock transforms to avoid moving them while sewing. You need the image pinned to the pattern. This ensures accurate placement. Make sure seams on the garment match the texture breaks, because misaligned, seams ruin the illusion of continuous detail. Now you refine placement. Select each pattern piece and use the texture transform tool to move, rotate, and scale the map to match fabric grain. You'll often use half or double scale, so try 0, 5, 1, 0, and 2, 0 to check repeat visibility. Once the map reads correctly on one piece, mirror or rotate by 90 degrees where grain direction changes. Make sure to preview on the avatar under normal lighting so you catch seams and misalignments before sewing them together. Finish by locking your texture placement. Convert decals to internal lines or freeze pinned areas so simulation won't distort them. Then run 1 to 3 quick simulations, watching for stretching. If you see distortion, tweak pressure, elasticity, or seam allowances. Once satisfied, export as baked maps. If seams still misalign, subtly nudge the UV on the culprit piece or adjust the pattern seam length. Reset UV only if other fixes fail. This single workflow prevents most texture issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.